Space is pretty limited around here. So if this log is going to sit around here doing nothing but drying for the next 5 years, it's going to have to pay rent. This log is solid black walnut, so eventually I'll probably turn it into bowl blanks or other projects. But for now, I would like to use it as a seat or a stepping stool or a cutting board or a place to chisel on. You get the idea. I've always wanted a log of my own. I flattened both sides, even though I don't show it. The wax seal will keep moisture from escaping too quickly from the ends. I want it to crack as little as possible. Well, I will definitely get a lot of use out of this log. It's kind of making the best out of an inconvenient situation. Well, thanks a lot for watching.